Hello friends, this is Sai Fanindra from SQL School, assuring you complete practice orientation from scratch, right from the basics. Over 18 years, we have been into various technical trainings, induction trainings, corporate trainings, professional trainings, and individual knowledge transfer services. And we mainly deal with database and analytics related courses completely into practice oriented as well as step by step learning process. And this particular short introduction video is about the courses that we offer, that we provide from our school. As you see here on the screen, yes, we are into database technologies. We start from the scratch, right from the very basics carefully. We'll start with the yellow box over there from the scratch, right from the basics with database concepts. And from database concepts, the yellow box, you need to choose whether to travel left, programming, coding, development activities, green courses 2 and 3, or you may choose 4 data engineering, 5 Power BI, 6 Python analytics, and the combinations of your choice are completely the right side database administration DBA and Azure Cloud Admin. So you have different choice or options to consider. Either you go for programming left or you go for database administration right, the right side, or stay in between core engineering and Power BI, or engineering and Python analytics, or Power BI and Python analytics, or right away Python analytics from SQL. Any one you may choose. Hope you did some groundwork on the options, job openings in the market right now. If not, I request you kindly to spend some time, go through the trends in the market, see how the technologies are performing in the recent past, so that you can come to some conclusion. And from there, we'll take it to our actual classes. If you are fond of programming, if you are fond of coding, you may consider green boxes 2 and 3. One is anyway the basics, 400 plus queries. Though we call basics, it is very good and very lovely, useful basics right from the scratch, right from the basics, the main foundation course. Trust me, 400 plus queries. And then we have the Azure Data Engineering, which is into big data storage and data warehouse. We say ETL, extract, transform, load, ETL concepts. Completely big data storage. Here we are going to learn something called data factory, data lake, and we have something called stream analytics. And here are the list of concepts at high level for the various courses you see in the menu items. The database concepts are very much essential, fundamental. That includes database design, normal forms, logins, query blocking scenarios, and the optimizations, query optimizations, important window functions, rank functions, etc., which would be the actual true sufficient base to proceed for either programming or engineering or Power BI or analytics or the admin activities. Once again, trust me, I would be the trainer for these courses, and the classes will be completely practice oriented from scratch, right from the basics. I'm sure you love our classes. You join for one course, you enjoy it, you find it useful, and pretty sure you'll again come back to us for the next course after 6 months down the line, 1 year down the line. Pretty sure about it. And which course you would like to opt for. We can discuss more regarding your resume plan or the career options and more about the course details, more about the course content. Please reach me directly on my WhatsApp number, and here it is on the screen: 90300408001, 90300408001, or you may contact our team on 96664408001. Any one number is fine, and we'll be discussing in more details about the course, the free demo schedules, and the key takeaways, the detailed course curriculum for whichever box you are into. You have a step by step, day wise roster, day wise curriculum. We request you to get it either from website or during the inquiry time. Go through it carefully, compare with the online sources, and attend for one or two introduction classes. See how it goes. See whether it suits your expected outcomes for the course. Then we'll proceed to happily further into the actual courses. I request you once again, contact our team, get the complete course curriculum, go through it once or twice, if required few more times, step by step, see what all we need to learn, and all classes would be completely into step by step practice and scenario based with daily assignments. Every day for every chapter you have assignments. You do them on time, mostly example based. You do them on time, get our solutions, and that will make us get ready for the next chapter. And no doubt, participants who respond more, who interact more, need to get more. And every session, every course has proper, specific, complete notes, assignments, and most of the assignments would be completely example based, so that we are ready for our end-to-end projects for our resume. If your interviewer asks you what you did in the project, what are the challenges you faced in the project, or if your interviewer asks you like what are the key takeaways from your client, how do you meet the expectations, how do you do that, or how do you do this, these kind of activities we need to concentrate more in our actual classes. I assure you once again, it's completely practice oriented lectures. The latest schedules will be available on our website, complete course details, and the latest schedules on our website. Request you to choose your preferred schedule, attend for one or two introduction classes before we plan to proceed. Any questions, please reach us, and we are glad to assist you. Once again, I will be the trainer, and I am the only trainer from SQL School for the courses you see in the website or on the screen. For other courses, MSBI, Tableau, Python programming, and Snowflake, we have other small pool of trainers. I would be the caretaker for these courses. Thank you so much. Have a nice time, and see you soon in our live sessions. Thank you once again. Have a nice time.